In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks POS integration. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to find the right app so your point-of-sale data can flow into QuickBooks Online smoothly. We'll start right inside your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, head to the area where integrations are listed, often called the App Center or Find Integrations. This is the central place where QuickBooks gathers trusted apps that connect directly to your company file. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one, and confirm you're signed in with the appropriate access so you can connect apps without interruptions. Next, open the Find Integration section. This page shows a catalog of available apps and categories. It's helpful to take a second to familiarize yourself with the search bar at the top and any filters on the side. Filters can help you confirm app compatibility with your plan and region, which reduces surprises later. If you ever see an app missing, it's often due to plan, permissions, or regional availability rather than an issue with your account. Now, use the search bar to look for POS Lite for QuickBooks Online. Before you integrate, make sure your QuickBooks Online subscription is active and current. Integrations rely on your subscription status, and administrator-level access generally works best for connecting apps. When the POS Lite listing appears, open it to review the details. Take a moment to read what data it shares with QuickBooks, like sales, products, customers, and taxes, along with any usage notes or pricing information. Checking the data permissions ahead of time helps you understand exactly what will sync and how it will appear in your books. When you're ready, choose the option to integrate or connect. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection and confirm the correct company file. You'll typically be asked to grant permissions so the app can read and write the necessary data. After authorization, the initial sync may start automatically. Depending on how many items or customers you have, this can take a little while, and that's normal. Keep an eye on any status messages indicating the sync is underway or complete. Once connected, you should see your POS data begin flowing into QuickBooks Online according to the app's settings. Many users like to review the app's configuration page to confirm tax mappings, product handling, and how sales are summarized. A quick review early on helps ensure your reports match your expectations. And that's it. You've used the QuickBooks POS integration to connect your point of sale with your accounting, setting yourself up for faster, cleaner books.